What if you could eat your way to a stronger heart, a sharper brain, glowing skin, and better immunity, all without pills or expensive supplements? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods and functional foods, the powerful, natural way to transform your health one bite at a time. So stay with us till the end, because we'll not only explain the difference between these two buzzwords, but also give you the top foods you should be eating daily to boost your body from the inside out. Before we begin, please consult your doctor or nutritionist before making any major changes to your diet. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips every week. Part 1, what are superfoods? Let's start with superfoods. Superfoods are not a specific food group or medical category. It's a marketing term used to describe foods that are nutrient-dense and offer major health benefits for minimal calories. These foods are often rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats. Think of them as the elite athletes of the food world, natural powerhouses that do more for your body in smaller quantities than average foods. Some of the most well-known superfoods include blueberries, packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Kale, a cruciferous veggie high in vitamin K, vitamin C, and even calcium. Chia seeds, loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Salmon, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health. Green tea, known for its polyphenol, especially EGCG, that support metabolism and fight aging. The key thing to remember is, superfoods don't work miracles on their own. They must be part of a well-balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. But when incorporated properly, they can significantly enhance your health. 2. What are functional foods? Now, let's talk about functional foods. Functional foods are foods that have a potentially positive effect on health beyond basic nutrition. Unlike superfoods, which are often just nutrient-rich, functional foods have been scientifically studied and proven to support specific body functions, such as improving digestion, strengthening the immune system, or reducing disease risk. There are two main categories. Naturally functional foods, like oats, rich in beta-glucan, which lowers cholesterol, or garlic, containing allicin, which supports heart health. Fortified functional foods. These are regular foods enhanced with additional nutrients. Think orange juice fortified with calcium, yogurt fortified with probiotics, cereals enriched with iron and folic acid. So, in short, superfoods equals high nutritional value. Functional foods equals targeted health benefits. And some foods fall into both categories, like avocados, which are rich in healthy fats, superfood, and may help reduce inflammation and cholesterol, functional food. 3. Why they matter. So, why should you care about superfoods and functional foods? Because they help fill the nutritional gaps in your diet and act as natural tools for disease prevention. Let's look at some specific ways they support your health. Heart health. Oats and barley contain soluble fiber that lowers LDL cholesterol. Fatty fish like salmon reduce triglycerides and blood pressure. Dark chocolate, in moderation, contains flavonoid that improves circulation. Brain function. Walnuts, rich in DHA, support cognitive performance. Blueberries improve memory and delay brain aging. Turmeric contains curcumin, which crosses the blood-brain barrier and may reduce Alzheimer's risk. Immune support. Garlic, ginger, and fermented foods like kimchi or yogurt enhance gut health and immunity. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are high in vitamin C. Mushrooms like reishi and shiitake contain immune-modulating compounds. Digestive health. Probiotics, found in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, balance gut bacteria. Prebiotics like bananas, onions, and leeks feed healthy microbes. Fiber-rich foods like legumes, flax seeds, and whole grains keep you regular. Anti-aging and skin health. Collagen-boosting foods like bone broth and berries help reduce wrinkles. Avocados and nuts provide vitamin E, which fights oxidative stress. Green tea and water-rich fruits keep your skin hydrated and glowing. 4. Top 10 superfoods to include in your diet. Let's count down 10 of the best superfoods to include in your meals regularly. Number 10, sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and fiber. Great for eye health and immunity. Number 9, almonds. high in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. Perfect as a heart-healthy snack. Number 8, Greek yogurt. A powerful source of probiotics and protein. Great for gut and muscle health. Number 7, garlic. A natural antibiotic with cardiovascular benefits. Helps fight bacteria and supports immunity. Number 6, broccoli. Loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and cancer-fighting compounds like sulforaphane. Number 5, quinoa. A gluten-free whole grain that's high in complete protein, iron, and fiber. Number 4, berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Packed with antioxidants and low in calories. They help reduce inflammation and support brain health. Number 3, chia seeds. They absorb up to 10x their weight in water, helping with satiety and hydration. Also rich in fiber and omega-3s. Number 2, salmon. One of the best sources of heart-healthy omega-3s and lean protein. Number 1, spinach. Loaded with iron, folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants. It's a simple green with massive impact. 5, functional foods to improve specific conditions. Now, let's talk about functional foods that specifically help with common conditions. 4, high cholesterol. Oats, barley, flax seeds, and soy protein have been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol levels. 4, high blood pressure. Beets due to nitrates, bananas, potassium, and dark chocolate, flavonoids, all help lower blood pressure. 4, bone health. Fortified milk and orange juice, calcium plus vitamin D, tofu and sardines with bones. 4, type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon may help reduce blood sugar spikes. Apple cider vinegar supports insulin sensitivity. Legumes and whole grains release sugar slowly into the bloodstream. For inflammation, turmeric, ginger, and green tea are natural anti-inflammatories. Omega-3 rich foods like salmon and walnuts also help calm the body's inflammatory response. 6, are there any risks? Now, before you load your plate with all these foods, here's a quick reality check. More is not always better. Even healthy foods can be harmful in excess. For example, too much kale or spinach can affect thyroid function or lead to kidney stones. Eating large amounts of oily fish could expose you to mercury. Chia seeds must be soaked. Eating them dry can cause digestive discomfort. So, always practice moderation and listen to your body. If you have allergies, sensitivities, or medical conditions, consult your healthcare provider. Let's wrap it up. Superfoods are nutrient-packed powerhouses. Functional foods offer specific health benefits backed by science. Both can help you live longer, feel better, and reduce your risk of disease, naturally. But remember, no single food will make or break your health. It's your overall lifestyle that matters most. Combine these foods with regular physical activity, good sleep, stress management, and lots of water. If this video helped you understand the power of superfoods and functional foods, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs a health boost. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to eat smart and live well. Speech Balloon, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite superfood and why? Until next time, stay healthy and be kind to your body. It's the only one you've got.